Hey, health enthusiasts, today I'm diving into the spicy world of cinnamon and uncovering its secret powers. You might just be surprised by how this humble spice can become a game changer for your health. First up, let's talk about diabetes. Cinnamon has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity. According to a study published in the journal Diabetes Care, patients with type 2 diabetes who took cinnamon supplements experienced a significant reduction in fasting blood sugar levels. This is because cinnamon helps your body use insulin more efficiently, reducing blood sugar spikes. Pretty awesome, right? Now let's turn to high blood pressure. A study in the Journal of Clinical Lipidology found that cinnamon can help lower blood pressure. The study observed that participants who consumed cinnamon had a notable decrease in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. So, adding a dash of cinnamon to your diet could help keep your blood pressure in check. But wait, there's more. Cinnamon isn't just great for blood sugar and blood pressure, it's also a powerful antifungal agent. Cinnamon oil, in particular, has been shown to combat various fungal infections. The Journal of Traditional and Complementary Medicine published findings showing that cinnamon oil effectively inhibits the growth of fungi like candida, which can cause infections. And if you're battling toenail fungus, cinnamon oil might just be your new best friend. Research suggests that applying cinnamon oil directly to the affected area can help eradicate the fungus and promote healthier nails. Just remember to do a patch test first to ensure you don't have any adverse reactions. Now you might be wondering where to find all this good stuff. You can read more about these studies in journals like Diabetes Care, the Journal of Clinical Lipidology, and the Journal of Traditional and Complementary Medicine. Many of these studies are accessible online through medical libraries or platforms like PubMed. So there you have it. Cinnamon is not just a delicious spice, but a potential health booster with benefits for diabetes, blood pressure, and fungus. Remember though, always consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your routine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Stay healthy and stay spicy. See you next time.